Hey there, a very good morning. It's Isma as usual back again from FX Kampala. In our YouTube video today, we're going to be looking at how a particular trader can trade using their phone. In other words, how can you trade using your mobile phone? In this video, we're going to be looking at how one probably buys using their phone, how someone can sell, how can someone put a stop loss, how someone can put a take profit, how can someone put different order types, that is buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit. Now, in this video, we're going to be watching step-by-step ways on how someone can use their phones to do all these that I've just mentioned. But then if you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do such that you enjoy the content that we do release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours, that is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. You'll be enjoying such videos or such information. You can also click onto the bell such that you're among the few people that are notified whenever we do release such content. Without any wastage of time, I'll get directly onto the reason as to why I have created this video. The question that all of you have been asking, if it is really possible for someone to trade using their phone, the answer is going to be in this video. However, before we can proceed on to, watching this particular video and enjoying it, the answer is yes, you can trade with your phone. However, it's always better and easier if you're trading with the laptop or with the computer. But then, if you're probably having both, that is well and good. If you don't have, then this video is particularly for you. So, join me as we basically see how someone can do all what I told you earlier of trading with a mobile phone. First and foremost, for you to trade with your mobile phone or with your smartphone, you must have had a broker. Having gotten a broker, then you must have had downloaded the MT4, MT5. So strictly for this video, I'll be looking at how you can ideally trade on the MT5. If you do not have a broker, just go onto our website, that is www.fxkampala.com. You'll find particular brokers there that we do recommend, or you can check below this video. Those brokers are there. So, reaching onto our MT5, as you can see it, I have, as you can see my phone. Ideally, down here, you'll be seeing different options. That is the quotes. I'll start with the quotes. Then the next one is the charts. Then the other one is the trade. The other one is history. And then the other one is settings. So those are one of the features that we're literally going to be using in our due process of putting our orders. So I want to be precise and simple for you to understand. So I'll get back to the quotes. So when it comes to the quotes, ideally you are probably looking at getting individual currency pairs that you're looking forward to trade. So let's assume we are trading Euro USD. So if you want to trade Euro USD, which is our first currency pair, you just go onto it, you click onto it. Clicking onto it, it will bring you various options. To tell you if you want to trade, it's option 1. If you want to the charts, it's option 2. If you want any details, 3. If you want statistics, 4. Depth of market, 5. Delete, last, okay? Or cancelling as well. So, by just typing on the particular currency pair you want to trade, so for our case, we wanted to trade, but then before we trade, we need to do our analysis. So doing analysis will definitely leave us with no option, but rather click on chart. Now, when I click onto chart, the Euro USD currency pair is going to reflect onto the chart. Okay, rather the Euro USD currency pair chart is going to reflect. So this is how it's been moving. Then up on the right hand corner, we have different currency pairs, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15. So we have different pairs. Now, when you reach onto this pair, ideally then you analyze it very well. Let's assume you do your analysis, you've analyzed it very well. Having done your analysis, come back to the quotes and then click onto the pair again. When you click onto the pair again, just click trade. When you click trade, there are quite a number of different ways you can trade. So we start with first things first, instant execution. So I click on this drop down for instant execution. So along this point, you can put a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy sell stop limit, and then you can also put sell stop. Ideally, you can also change the lot size below here. That is for instant execution. That is if you're probably just looking forward to enter the market at the current market price. So you just ideally just come and click sell or buy. So let's assume we're looking forward selling, just mere selling. So what we'll do, we'll just come and click sell. When you click sell, automatically our order is going to enter, and you definitely see it has a sell. Now, clicking on to sell, if you want to modify and put a stop loss, you just come on this order, long press it, and then click on modify position. Modifying position definitely means you putting a stop loss and putting a take profit. You can just choose any point. A stop loss is that particular point where you expect the market, let's assume you entered for a buy, you expect the market to go up. The result is that one point where you think if the market doesn't go your direction, would definitely show that the market now would have changed direction in the opposite move. So ideally, that's where we put our stop loss. So choose where you want to put your stop loss to be, choose where take profit is going to be, and then click on to modify. This is one of the easiest way to buy, to sell, to put a stop loss, to put a take profit. Now, if it comes to a pending order, you come back to the quotes. You see, this is our sell that we put already. So when it comes to pending orders, it's easier when you just come onto any pair. Let's assume we are probably trading GBP USD, which is the currency pair number 2. I just long press and say I want chart. When you want chart, above here, there are options. I don't know if you can see them very well. You can just click onto that second icon on the upper right corner. When you click on to read, it can always show you to put where you can, anywhere you can put different pending orders. So let's say I want to put a sell stop. So I'll just come say sell stop. Then I click on where, rather I want to put a sell stop. I just click on the word sell limit here. It changes automatically to a sell stop. Then this sell stop, I want to give it a stop loss. Then, oh, sorry, I go back. I say along this point, I want to put a sell stop. I click onto the word buy limit. It changes automatically to sell stop. Then give it a stop loss. I can add it just anywhere I want to put my stop loss. I can click on take profit. Gives me anywhere I want to put my take profit. Then before anything, I can just come click where there is this lot size. I can change to any lot size depending on how much money I want to risk. So I can say if I use a lot size of 0.02, I'll be risking $3, 3.66 US dollars. Can always change. If I want to increase from that, I want to risk $10, then that would be approximately 0.04, that is 0.05. Then having put it approximately 10, then having done that, you click on this arrow next to the TP, and then you proceed on to add the order, and the order will automatically enter. So it's as simple as that, trading with your phone. And if you're probably looking forward having a more detailed class about how you can basically trade with your phone, I've put a contact at the beginning of this video. We have a detailed course that can help you learn from A to Z. Just don't dare to miss out on reaching us. Our contact is at the beginning of this video. Without any wastage of time, I think I would love to end from here. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.